Warning, this video may contain some material that many parents may find unsuitable for children under the age of 14. We use Dremel tools, sharp objects, swear a lot, well, sometimes, and overall, anybody under the age of 14 shouldn't be watching this unless you have a parent with you. And if you do watch, I hope you enjoy it. Hey, it's Keith from Outlaw Speed Shop, and this is a quick unboxing video, and stick around to the end. I kind of showcase a few projects I got coming up the next few weeks. So I got this box from William Robinson, Mr. K7, and in it mainly was the K10 that we're doing as a giveaway for the truck challenge. And as always, he doesn't just send one thing, he sends 500. So I'm just kind of going through, and I'm not going to talk about all the cars. I'm just going to kind of talk while hopefully you're watching and can take a look at everything that I'm unboxing. And I don't always do unboxing videos. I do get a lot of stuff. It always humbles me, I guess, that people send stuff just out of the kindness of their hearts. You know, this hobby in this whole niche of customizing and Hot Wheels and collectors and everything that's involved with it, it's just so amazing. I mean, I started customizing years ago, and then I kind of just stopped. Life got in the way, and I had some big car projects, and I had my own speed shop, and there was a lot going on. I just didn't have the time or the energy. When my kids were younger, I couldn't really dedicate what I needed to be successful. And to have gotten back into it just a smidge over a year ago, and to have made some friendships that have lasted, it's just amazing. I know I'm kind of rambling, and it's just very, again, humbling to know that there's so many people out there that are willing to participate and send you stuff and comment and subscribe. I mean, a year ago, to think anybody would actually click a button to be notified when I get new videos launched, and never mind watch them, a comment on them, is just, it's amazing. And I can say I've made some really, what I'd like to call, good friends over this past year. And I can't count how many boxes of cars that I've gotten. I mean, to the point where I don't even go to Walmart anymore to look, because I don't need to. It kind of takes the fun out of it a little bit, actually. Between people sending me stuff and some of the auction sites that I'm on Facebook and eBay, I find it amazing. But, you know, William is probably, and I know some people bust my balls, or one person did anyways, about mentioning, you know, William having sent stuff in the past, but there's nobody more generous. And it's just freaking amazing that, you know, he's going to send something as a giveaway. He's giving up something of his personal collection, and along with it, he's sending all these cars. And it's just baffling to me. And I've actually met William. He's a truck driver, and he was in this neck of the woods up near Boston. And we actually met up, went out, had a bite to eat and stuff. And it's just amazing. I've met quite a few people, and surprisingly, there's a few customizers and stuff around here even that I've met that are local. And I would have never known, and I would have never met these people had it not been for YouTube and these videos. So I'm probably one of the most thankful people there are out there, and just such a great community of people. But yeah, there's some amazing cars in here. Some of them are not my thing, but they're ones that I would steal parts off of to customize other cars. And some of them I wouldn't touch. And I know that's hard to believe, that I pretty much hack up anything. I'm the asshole who go to a car show and hack up a split window vet just to piss people off. But there's a few cars in here I probably wouldn't cut up, but there's a lot of great parts and pieces and future content that I can't wait to get to. And I'm very appreciative of everything that William and everybody else that sends stuff does. And again, I can't do it. Should I be doing an unboxing video every day? It would seem like, because I just get so many things. And some people have asked me not to, to make a video. So I've honored that request as well. But this is a pretty big box, and that's what she said. But it's a lot of cool cars. And what's even cooler is they each come in their own. A lot of them came in their own little Protecto pack. You can see right there, little square ones or rectangular ones. So it's pretty cool to get a lot of storage. And that's probably my biggest downfall right now, is finding storage for everything. I'm just running out of places to hang. I mean, I get the whole basement to myself, and I'm pretty much out of room. So there's a lot of cars here. Enough to the point where I have to stop the video and clear out a little spot, which I'm going to do here in a second. Okay, so now he's also sent me, I've got some other K10s and some other projects that I'm doing for William as well. And these wheels on the muscle machines are perfect. So he's sending me some spares to just so I have some extras to play with as far as wheels go. And one of the cooler ones that he sent is his Super Van, the red one, from Hot Wheels. I've got a couple black ones, but I don't have the red one. So that's cool to add to my collection. That's not one I would cut up at all. Just I might restore one of the black ones, but I'd probably restore it to original because it's just kind of cool. Anything with T-Roos is pretty cool in my book anyway. So, and I know I'm kind of rambling, and I should probably just shut the hell up and play music in the background like a lot of other people do. But I just can't get myself to do that because I like to hear my voice too much, apparently. But this is the K10 that's going to be the giveaway as a project vehicle for the upcoming truck challenge. Since I'm doing a couple coming up soon on the channel, if the winner will also get a good set of wheels and everything, because I'm not going to use the ones that I'm going to restore. So those will come along with it, because this has looks like one wobbly wheel and one missing wheel. So you'll have a complete set of wheels to go along with this as far as whoever wins the challenge. But overall, this is in really, really good shape. Whoever gets it's going to have fun restoring it. So aside from unboxing, I've got a few projects coming up, and I haven't done this often as I should have. I've got this Mitsubishi Lancer that I'm doing as a special project for somebody. That's probably going to be out next week towards the end. It's not really my thing if you watch my channel, so it's a little struggle for me, but that's how we learn. I also have this 57 Nomad I've been working on for about a month now. I kind of put it to the side and started working on some other crap because it was taking me a hell of a lot longer than I thought. So that's coming up soon. I'm probably 80% done. And I have the Four Horsemen Challenge coming up in January, and January's is the Silverado, with the theme being alcohol. So I actually started working on this already, which is rare for me because I usually wait till the last frickin' minute every single time. And then I'm doing a dairy delivery for my friend Les, and that's coming along fairly well. So once again, I appreciate you guys watching more than you know. And that's it. I'll catch you on the next one.